Alright, you guys, we are back for another charter session. Let's go. Y'all get your energy up. Oh man. Okay, you guys, let's get back active. So we caught a couple dubs this week. All right, couple wins. A couple of them. So from here, what we want to do is take a look at the market again. Look to see where we could possibly see some high volatility news because we want to catch some big swings. And then we'll figure out how we'll execute on these trade setups. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. I like that. I like that little beat right there. All right, cool. So let's see. Let's check the news. How can I? Who's mute? So really quick. Looking at this news, we got AUD news in 4 minutes. Then we got Euro news during the London session. So you know what? Let's go ahead and check out AUD really quick. All right, so we're already in this AUD CAD setup. We got news dropping in 3 minutes. Let's see if it influences price at all. Pretty much it's been traveling within range. And if it continues to fall, then this will be what they call a bearish rising wedge. It's a continuation pattern. So if price breaks these lows, then this will be confirmed as a flag pattern, okay? So let's hold this thing and see how it turns out. So far, like I said, we're already in this trade setup. We'll see the effect from the news, if there is any effect. Right now, we got high volatility news about to drop in 2 minutes, and it's about the unemployment rate. So that should have some type of effect on AUD pairs. So we got AUD, USD next. Okay, cool. So with AUD, USD, we're actually looking for exactly what's happening right here, which is a bottom reversal. We wanted to see price pull back to retest this area here before continuing this downtrend. Okay, and so far, that's what's happening. Yeah. Let's wait to see if price prints anything else. What do we have above this? Okay, so this is a 2-hour time frame. The area got retested already. That printed at 3 o'clock. Okay. V, what up? Yeah, we already in there. I'm trying to pull your comments up. Hold on a second. Is that it? Oh, no, that's not going to work. Hold on a second. That's kind of far away, but it's okay. I can see it. All right. But yeah, let's see. We want to see this turn out to be a flag pretty damn much, V. Say yes, sir. No, just no. I hate Facebook sometimes. You try to type in a word, if it's a part of somebody's username, they pull them up. Ain't nobody asked for your ass, Otis. All right. So, let's see how price responds here. Yeah, so I'm not in this either, my brother. I was looking for this move, but I did not take it. I honestly thought price was going to consolidate a little more, but what actually happened is it just created a double bottom right here on the 2 hour and pulled back to retest it with this move. I should have played that one, but I wasn't really looking. I was just being patient, waiting, and that set up Tuesday, but to just be sitting in that trade like that, I'd much rather wait until price break like it did. Look at this. So on the 30-minute, you got a double bottom right here. I say if price break beneath this structural level that it's creating and hit that double bottom on the 30-minute, and that's a better area. Okay, you're going to set a flag at the top. You talking about on AUD USD? Made back, I've been turning up for my city. Yes. Okay. Cool. So that's actually what I was waiting on. But in waiting on that trade setup, it looks like price is going to present us with an opportunity to buy it to our sell zone. And you know I like that shit. That's market mastery right there. That's some wizard stuff right there. So let's see. Now we got an upward trend line, and price is consolidating right inside this zone. So there is definitely a possibility that we can see a pullback to retest this trend line and touch that double bottom right here on the 30-minute. From there, we're taking it to the 50. I believe that's a daily zone. Yeah, so that's a daily zone. The 50% of that daily zone just so happens to align with the 55th. Yes, sir. Get paid both ways, bro. Big wins, big wins. Win. Bro, I like how them lights be shining in the back, man. I'm a big kid, boy, I swear. All right. So, let's see. That's a 1 to 12 setup. Then we can catch that, hopefully. This move gives us an impulsive trade that will not only retest our entry zone, but also hit these targets before giving that reversal. So let's go ahead and get this thing set up. I'm actually going to go ahead and place this trade in this session. Is that a double top on the 2 hour? That's a triple top. You really don't see those too often. Let's see. It's a double top on the 4 hour, and this is the neckline. So let's get that little gap right there. All right, cool. So what we'll do is set these targets up, and we're about to get active on this trade right now. What did I just do? Let me delete it. Let's try this again. Boom. That's TP3. TP2, where are we? TP2's right here. TP3. This area's been played already. I'm sorry, TP1. Let's put TP1 here and actually move TP2 up just a tad. All right, cool. So after I put this trade setup in, what I'm going to do is come back and go ahead and structure the trade for the sale that we're looking for, okay? I choose you. Let's go ahead and set both of these things up. So underneath all of this, what's under this imbalance? Okay, got you. So it was a double bottom down here that we were looking at. We got liquidity underneath this. Let's see how price responds. If price does not reject, stop loss definitely above the 618 until we get to see something develop on a smaller time frame. Yeah, so as far as the targets on this, we'll actually wait until we get there. Made back. One thing we do know is this is TP3. TP3. All right, so what I'm gonna do is pull up some instrumentals for you guys while I go ahead and get this set up in. We are not missing any setups. So let me give you something smooth and then we'll get active. After I skip that ad, let's go. V, can you see the TPs clear? You need me to zoom in? Oh, that's in the way. We'll just put that up there after that trade finish. Delete this. Hey. Now look at that. That looks like an inverse head and shoulders on the 4 hour. And this move will be a retest of the right shoulder. Look at everything coming together. Let's see you stop loss. What? Slow down, big dog. Slow down. What you got going on, V? Okay, I got you. Let me see your stop loss. I believe this was set up on the 30-minute. All right, cool. So bro. Got you. Okay, cool. I'm about to get started. Let's turn it up. Got Okay, cool. I'm about to get started. Let's turn it up. Hey. Yeah. Hey. Yeah. 30-minute AUD USD. Put it back. And that move just so happened to align with the cloud too, V. And that move just so happened to align with the cloud too, V. Oh, it's a double bottom on a 15-minute too. Now that is tough. You got a double bottom on a 15-minute and a 30-minute in the exact same area. You got a double bottom on a 15-minute and that's tough. In the exact same area. That's tough. Yeah. Let's take that. Let's take that. If they're both the same, V. Now, what I would say is put your go to indicators on your. Come on, words. Be my friend. Go to indicators on your Trade Locker platform. Come on, words. Put the Ichimoku up there so you will see where the bottom of the cloud is. Put the Ichimoku up there so you will see. And on the 15-minute, put that stop loss underneath that right shoulder and make sure it's underneath the cloud. But don't put it too tight, you know. So right now mine is at 64105. But definitely pull that indicator up so you can see it for yourself. But definitely pull that indicator up so you can see it for yourself. I think we should respect that wick. If you didn't hear me, I said I think we should respect that wick on the 30-minute and just put it below that. So more so like 64071. Drop it down just a tad. So more so like 64071. Drop it down just a tad. And we also got a sale on Euro Pound that we called earlier. It's only 2 pips away from the entry. So let me show you that stop loss real quick. that stop loss is right above the high. So if you want to go ahead and take that, just put that stop loss up there. We'll come back and I'll give you the coordinates. So euro pound selling that. Just put that stop loss up there. We'll come back and I'll give you the coordinates. So euro pound selling that. We'll come back and I'll give you the coordinates. Let's go. Let's go. I knew it was gonna come. I knew it was gonna come. It's all right, y'all. We're gonna have a DJ in here, but right now YouTube is the DJ. It's all right, y'all. We're gonna have a DJ in here, but right now YouTube is the DJ. All right, you guys, so we back. My bad. Your stop loss is 6.4. Hold on, that's kind of far away. 64052. Is that underneath the cloud? 64052. Is that underneath the cloud? Because if it's not, what? Okay, 64052. Okay, you gave yourself some extra room. I got you. Okay, that should be good. Okay, you gave yourself that should be good. Now that euro pound. Okay, that should be good. That euro pound sale. We're in profit on that one. All right, we're in profit right now. Let's see how it turned out if it stay in our favor.
Win, 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 win. Yeah. Yeah.
Let's see if it turned out the way we want it to.
Yeah.
Let's see if it turned out. So, euro pound. So, we looked at a 2-hour retest area. We looked at a 2-hour retest area. Oh, God. Now, right here where we have all of these rejections in price, if you guys have been paying attention long enough, you know we got liquidity or some money under there. We got some money under there. We got plenty of money underneath this area right here. So what we want to do is watch to see when the liquidity in this area be captured. When the liquidity in this area be captured. Yes, sir. Yeah, Big V, we've been meditating. Let you see the TPs. Oh, I must have read that late. Okay. You got them? Can you see them all? Let you see the TPs. Oh, I must have read that late. Okay.
I think I got that. Yeah, I got that trade
see them all
already.
Did I do the TPs on this?
I think I got that. Yeah, I got that trade.
No, I did not. Let me put these targets. 8 points. No. 0.85. 0.85. 85338. All right, 3-4. Let's go. 3-4. Put us deeper in profit on that one. Let's go. Put us deeper in profit on that one. Let's go. Put us deeper in profit on that one. Let's go. All right, V, let me know when you fit. Oh, okay. Damn, I'm late. Okay, you got him. All right, let's win. All right. Win. I'm late. Okay, you got it. So, what happened with the news? Let's check it out. With the news on AUD, the results were better than expected. So, when you guys, let's see. Better than you pull this over here. So when you guys, let's see, better than you pull this over here. When you guys are taking a look at the news, do right, and you're trying to figure out how to break this down. Okay, so this is what we were just looking at. This thing having high volatility news on unemployment rates. So this was the previous percentage, and this is where it is now. So their result was it was better than expected, okay? So when you see stuff like that, typically you'll see some type of bullish sentiment on the market around this particular pair. Now, the unemployment change is worse than expected. Damn, that was some thunder right there. I'm gonna hurry up and get off of this damn thing. Oh man! All right, so this thing was worse than expected. So when you have, what I've noticed, when you have high volatility news, two different areas of high volatility news like this, and one says better than expected, the other says worse than expected, normally you'll see like a quick impulse shooting to one direction, and then it'll go the opposite way. So pretty much exactly what we were looking for on AUD USD is a possibility, right? So it's giving us that quick drop is a possibility, right? So it's giving us and making this move for us, or vice versa, giving us a quick impulse to the upside, hitting this, and continuing down. That's normally what you'll see when that is something that you find that's printed in the news. What else? Euro AUD. That is something that you find that's printed. See, I thought that was played already. It was not. Okay. So I slipped. Yeah, that's why we got to stop and put these orders in automatically right away. Let's see. And this thing pulled back and filled that gap. It was at 12. This move retested that double bottom. Let's find the safe means of entry on this trade setup. We missed our ideal entry. If we would have caught it, yeah, we would have got a quick 70 pips off of a limit order. Profits without being present. Let's find another means of entry back in this trade. Profits without being present. Let's find another means of entry back in this trade. Profits without being present. Let's find another means of entry. The thunder got to you, but I love that shit. I'm about to go outside and meditate. I've been feeling some energy in the air, man. It's like it's time for a change. It's the season of transitioning, man, for real. That's what it's been saying to me. Like all of this shit that you've been struggling with, like pretty much taking the same test of life over and over again. It's time. It's time to pass those motherfucking tests. Anybody that's not in alignment of your fucking elevation, or they trying to hold you back, even if it's just with you know, conversation. They ain't never got shit good to say, complaining all the goddamn time. It's time to get away from everything or everybody like that. It's time to win. Everything or everybody. Win. It's that time. All right, cool. So I honestly don't know what this thing is about to do right now, and that's the beauty of our trading strategy. It's not up to us to dictate what the market does. So I was expecting a continuation in this downtrend. Let's go up to a higher time frame, and yeah, that may not actually be the case at all. So looking at this higher time frame, if price retests this area where we had all of these structural rejections right here, and it holds, like fails to break beneath, we could actually see a continuation in this uptrend. So the same thing that I was just telling you guys that could happen with the other pair could actually happen to this. All right? So a quick spike down just to hit that level, and boom, go up. Because we got two mixed signals on, well, not mixed signals, but we got two result from the news saying that it was worse than expected. That'll support the fall. And the other said better than expected. So both of these possibilities are what have to be taken account of at this point. So both of these possibilities. Let's see if we got anything else on the smaller time frame that support this. Let's see if we got anything else on the smaller time frame that support. Yeah, so we got an inverse head and shoulders pattern right here. So this would also be the right shoulder of that pattern. So that looks like everything is in cahoots right there. Let's take a look at, hey, look at that. Oh, that's been played. So we just got money right here. Let's take a look at our fib to see if that area aligns with the 236 or the 382. So when using the fib, let's make sure we got it at the lows. Hey, look at that. Perfect on the 382 level of the fib. Oh shit.
Hey, look at that.
So that looks like a good setup. Now let's check our EMAs to see if the momentum is still bullish or if it switched to a bearish sentiment. So right now, if we look at these EMAs and we look at what's going on with price, we can see that our 200 EMA is pretty much aligning with this 382 level on the field. All right, so right now the momentum is still bullish for the EMAs. All right, so right now the momentum is still bullish for the EMAs. Yep, and if we go to the higher time frames and just take a look at this cloud, it's showing that this area is an area of support. Right, so let's go ahead and turn these things off. So that's all I use these indicators for, you guys, to find out where the momentum is and figure out if they will align with the trade setup that I'm looking at to give me multiple hits, multiple confirmations. All right, where we going? So price break the highs, where we going? So yeah, we look for confluence. We can get rid of this now. And let's figure out where price is going. We'll also get rid of these TPs. Let's clean this thing up a little bit. Also get rid of these TPs. Let's clean this thing up. I need you right now. I need you right now. So this entire area right here is consolidation. That is a humongous consolidation zone right there. That is a humongous consolidation zone right there. Oh. Let's see. Yeah, okay, cool. Let's see. Yeah, okay, cool. Everything is looking at this area as far as the time frames that we're looking at. So this, at this point, will be a key level of structure. So we really need to pay attention what happens there. Really quick. So we really does not reject at this area to give us a continuation of this uptrend, meaning if it does not pull here and come back up, continuation of this uptrend, meaning if it does not pull here and come back up, continuation of this uptrend, then we'll wait for a break beneath. Then we'll wait for a break beneath. And then we'll wait on this retest right here. And we'll take the sell. But right now, with everything saying that the momentum is still bullish, we can't ignore this setup. So let's go ahead and set this limit order. So let's go ahead and set this limit order. Okay, we got a daily retest zone up there, so that's definitely TP3. Wow. This could be a pretty impulsive move. Now, that's a 1 to 24 trade setup. I'm going to be honest with y'all. If this hits, it will not be our first. We caught a couple 1 to 30 trade setups. The craziest setup that I caught was 1 to 82. And that was on Ripple. So, don't let those numbers scare you. This is more than possible. It just takes a little expertise. I said a little. Yeah, a little expertise and discipline. That's why we do multiple time frame analysis too. Let's see where the major trend is. Then we go down to smaller time frames to refine that entry to get bigger wins. Right? So the goal is to get maximum profit with minimum risk, and also to make profits without being present. That's why we like to use our limit orders. So we got TP3 to make profits without being present. TP2 will definitely be in this area where we got all of these rejections. Let's go right here at this high. Set these alerts. V, don't you be trying to race me. Don't you start putting this trade in without me. I'm gonna move a TP. Let me catch up. Don't you be trying to race me. Don't you start putting this trade in without me. I'm gonna move a TP. Let me catch up. All right, let's figure out what TP1 is. All right, let's figure out what TP1 is. All right, cool. 4 hour. I should probably bring this entry up for real. I don't want to miss it being greedy. I should probably bring this entry up. Yeah, we're gonna leave it right there, but that's still a 117. That's still a great setup. Yeah, we're gonna leave it right there, but that's still a 117. That's still a great setup. All right, V. We can go ahead and get active now. All right, so I'm about to put this trade in. I got the alert set on all of the targets. Let me go ahead and put one on a stop loss. Oh, let's see. Hold on a second. Let's see what the cloud had to say about that stop loss. Oh, let's see. Hold on a second. Let's see. Uh-oh. My cloud say we got a double bottom down here on the 4 hour that could possibly be retested. We got a double bottom down here on the 4 hour that could possibly be retested. So let's keep that in mind. I'm still taking this trade. What time frame? Okay, what are you referring to? Are you referring to the double bottom that I just mentioned, or are you talking about the double bottom that I just what time frame I'm taking this trade setup on? The answer is 4 hour for both questions. I guess that was pointless. My bad. It's all good. I guess that was pointless. My bad. It's all good. So either way, we're gonna have a good setup or a better setup. Yeah, I gotta take this one. All of these EMAs lining up right here. Let's see. Let's see if the cloud shows any different on the smaller time frames. Okay, so the 2 hour and the 4 hour shows that second double bottom. Okay, so the 2 hour, the daily is, the 200 on the daily is right there as well. The 200 on the daily is right there as well. Okay. Now on the 2 hour, we also can probably drop it right here beneath this cloud, just to be a little safe. Okay. Now the 1 hour actually support that move. Just to be a little safe. Okay. Now the 1 hour actually support that move. And if it breaks through the cloud, you know it's going to that second double bottom down at the low. Through the cloud, you know it's going to. Let's see. That second double bottom down at the low. All right. Yeah, I'm taking it. All right. So let me tighten this chart up. Now the only difference is, my hamstrings. The only difference is if this low is broken, and we learn a lesson on this trade, when we re-enter at this level, our TPs will be slightly different, okay? But I will adjust them depending on what happens. But for now, let's get active with putting in this trade setup here.
What happens? But for now,
We got a lot of liquidity under there too.
this trade set up here.
We
We got a lot of liquidity under there too. This trade set up here.
Let's go, Euro Pound.
Let's go,
Euro
Pound.
AUD.
Let's go,
Euro
Pound.
AUD. Let me look at this. Euro AUD. Let me look at this. Euro AUD. That's so suspect. That's so suspect. You know what, V? You know what, V? 30 minute. You know what, V? We may have to just market execution this trade.
30 minutes.
Yeah, let's do that. So let's just, if you started on setting that limit order, delete that.
So let's just, if you
Spirit starts screaming to me like, wait a second. So we'll look at the 1 hour, okay?
wait a second.
And we're gonna monitor this on the 1 hour.
We'll look at the 1 hour.
On the 1 hour, let me show the difference. On the 1 hour, like I said, everything falls right inside the cloud. But on the 30 minute, if it falls through that cloud, with the cloud being red showing bearish sentiment, there is a chance that it's gonna fly straight down to that other area. Okay? And that's 130 pips. So instead, let's wait and see what happens underneath. Well, yeah, underneath this cloud on the 30 minute. And if it supports a sell, let's go ahead and sell it down to that double bottom on the 4 hour. I think that would be wise.
That double bottom on the 4 hour.
Because it's really not as clear. Yeah, and that's probably like the 786. Let's test that out.
Yeah, and that's probably like the 786. Let's test that out.
Yep, that's the 786 exactly. Man, I'm telling you.
Yep, that's the 786.
Mr. Eyeball, and look at this 30 minute. It's a smaller time frame, double bottom here.
Mr. Eyeball. Look at this 30 minute. It's a smaller time frame, double bottom here.
From the scale to Fibonacci. No, you can't cheat me.
From the scale
All right.
to Fibonacci.
Yeah, V. Yeah, so with all of that extra stuff, this thing looking suspect. I would definitely go with the second option we got. Let's either wait
Option we got.
for this to get hit, or let's wait to look for a sell. Now, another thing to keep in mind, price did create a double bottom here. So if it does pull back, hit that, we can try it from there. But there's also a chance that it could keep going and just give us another signal. What's up, Zeke? What you got, buddy?
Also a chance that it could keep going and just give us another signal.
Open the door, bud. I don't know what you're saying. Hold on, you got family break. Open the door, bud. I don't know what you're saying. Hold on, you got family break. Open the door, bud. I don't know what you're saying. Hold on, you got family break. All right, cool. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna do, V. We're gonna have to manually execute this one. Oh, look at this.
That's what we're gonna do, V. We're gonna
Look at this. So we got liquidity forming right here and right at the top of this area where range is. You see that double top at the highs, V? What's that, 15 minute? You see that double top at the highs, V? What's that, 15 minute? We could possibly get a rejection there. We could possibly get a rejection there. This one has already been played. Boom. Let's look at all of these possibilities. Now, the reason I look at multiple possibilities with the trades is because most people, when they do analytics, they only find one setup. They're like, oh, okay, if it goes down, I'm going to do this. What if it doesn't? What if it goes up? Where could price be going, and how will you take advantage of it? And this has helped us with a lot of our trade setups because, let's say, for instance, we were in that sell from here and it broke. We'll know exactly where we could enter to get the rest of that move. You'll go from losing 3% to winning 9%. And just by being aware of everything and just not what your main bias is. Always keep an objective thought process when you're looking for your setups, okay? And also trade from major levels. Like this is a nice level of resistance, and this would have been a major level as well. Nice level of resistance, and this would have been a major level. Excuse me. So looking back, all of these rejections that you have on that level, it is a key area in the market. Excuse me. So looking back, all of these rejections that you have on that level, it is a key area in the market. Excuse me. So looking back, yeah, let's put that stop loss up there. Okay, I can actually place these TPs without those other ones being in the way. I can actually place these TPs without those other ones being in the way. TP3. TP1 will be right here. TP1 will be right. TP2, let's see what's above the 50. Little gap. TP2, let's see what's above the 50. Little gap. All right, so this thing is going to tell a story. Yes, on the higher time frames, momentum is bearish. On the smaller time frames, it is switching over, okay? Right here in this area, price is consolidating. So seeing what happens here will be a defining moment for this pair, okay? Because if this area is broken with all of the rejections that price showed us, then we'll definitely see that downtrend. Then we'll definitely see that downtrend. So I would actually feel more comfortable putting a limit order on this sale than taking this buy at the moment. So that's what I'll do. I'm gonna place this trade right here, V. All of the TPs are here. Alerts are set. I'm gonna place this trade right here, V. All of the TPs are here. Let's bring this down to let us know when price get there. Place this trade right here, V. All of the TPs are here. Let's bring this down to let us know when price get there. Put an alert at TP1. Let's go. Let's go. All right, guys, I will be back. Let me get these orders in. All right, guys, I will be back. Let me get these orders in. All right, guys, I will be back. Where my favorite at? Okay. You need pound AUD. Okay. You need pound AUD. Did I set that? Did I set that? Damn, I need to put that trade in. Oh, okay, I got it in on everything but that platform. Oh, okay, I got it in on everything. Okay, yeah, I got it. That platform. Now, I didn't put the TPs in either. What's good? Ouch. What's going on? All right, V, I need to put those TPs in as well. All right, V, I need to put those TPs in as well. All right, V, I need to put those TPs in All right, cool. I got those as well. Appreciate you, V, man. Always a pleasure. Appreciate you, V. Had some fun. Now we gotta let these things run and let all these trades run and see if we get some wins. Now we gotta let these things run, see if we get some wins, man. Y'all know we enjoy the lessons as well. But we got some good setups. Let's see how they turn out. That's what we want. So again, you guys, thank you for your time. I appreciate you for tuning in with us. What we're gonna do is, what did we decide? We decided that we were taking this pound AUD. What is it? We're already in Euro pound. We're in profit. Let's go. in profit right now on that, baby. So let's let that thing run. We got a limit order set for a sale on Euro AUD. Shit, did we take something else? Oh, AUD USD. All right. So these are the setups that we got going right now. We'll just let them run, and definitely gonna check out. I believe it was Euro AUD during the London session. So you guys, thanks again for your time, for tuning in with us. We're gonna go ahead and close things out. All right, well, I'm definitely gonna post these trades to show how they turned out. So we got a AUD USD buy. I'm definitely gonna post these trades to show. We got a Euro AUD sale, a Euro pound sale that we're in profit on right now. We're still in AUD CAD that hit TP1 and TP2, and I believe that's it. I believe that's it. So for the people that are out here that want to trade with us but you don't know where to start, you're in luck. We put together a free course for you guys, a free 9-day course to get you from nothing to being in this market and learning how to navigate this thing. That's our free 9-day course. It goes over placing, monitoring, and executing on your trade setups. And that'll help you get in these live sessions and make money with us for free. We also got our structure breaking free trial. Then as far as our books, we got 6 steps to trading with consistent results. For the do-it-yourselfers, we also got our trading log books to help you monitor your trades, not monitor, but log your trade setups, and also log your emotional state while executing on those trade setups. Okay. Then, of course, you got the full version of our mindset series, Structure Breaking, that goes along with our 6-week journal to help you break through these barriers mentally so you can operate and execute with a sound mind in a calm state. Okay. Outside of that, y'all support the movement and get the merch, you guys. And remember, you're only one trade away from living. Why fight to stay the same? Let's go. Wrong button. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.